landscape. Here, one of our prettier campsites.
Yeah.
Of course, everything big south of the RGS Islands.
Alright. Wish me luck. I've never had to completely start from scratch a second round.
What are you talking about?
That fire went out.
Fire?
I should have stayed tending to it.
Pyrotechnicalities.
Yeah. Gonna get better at saying, nope, sorry, fire ain't ready. That's a delicate goddamn balance around here. You can dry some little ones, then dry some little bit bigger ones. So you're one big happy burning family. Then you can dry whatever you want.
You got the tomahawk still here?
I just used it down there to make more chips to start
So
over
it's,
with.
it's down there.
It's down by the fire.
Do you want me to bring it to you, Wes?
Just,
No, I'm done with it.
I'll get it.
Here, don't go away.
Oh, great.
This one.
Take it. This is so nice. This is such a Oh, liquid heaven.
Your tea is sitting by the fire, Jeff.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Is this beef or chicken, do you know?
Chicken.
Doesn't matter to me, but it's great.
That's the only kind I bought.
Oh,
All I know is it's good.
It is good.
Oof.
look at this.
Oh man, a runner. Or a, oh, snowmobile. Go man, go.
Found water.
Great. More importantly, you found a snowboard.
Yes, that's what the people wanted.
That's what.
Eileen, I saw a massive covey of ptarmigans.
You did!
They let me walk right up to them.
Because they think they're invisible.
They were all like flicking away. I was maybe 5 meters from them.
Oh, neat!
They're so white.
Oh, wow, it's winter. Fudgy,
Winter's
your
coming.
chili snack is ready.
Thank you.
Actually, I didn't time it, so you'll have to...
Ready. I'll probably take it in a couple minutes just to be sure.
do you want some chicken broth?
I'd love a bit of it, yeah.
Okay. I made a thermos of it. Actually, I was going to see if I could drink mine out of your cup because your cup cools down faster than mine. But I'm going to give you some.
You don't have to.
I'm not charging you for my cup.
I know, but there's here, have a sip or two if you want. Except the fire is fighting. Jeff, did you need a second match?
So we got a bunch of tea we were drinking, but Eileen picked up these bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon stock in Cambridge Bay. Salty, tasty, beat the crap out of tea. But we don't have very many of them, so every once in a while she'll give one away. God dang, this is great. Any future expeditions I have, we're going to have chicken or beef bouillon cubes at the end of every day. This beats tea. This is salty, it's flavor. Oh God, this is great. Hot. It's these little things that we treasure. We suffered a bit today. The water was good. It was just flat, but it was a hard push. 36 miles across the bay. I got a broken rib, it turns out. So that hurts when I paddle really bad. It hurts. It feels good to stand up, but anyway, a little reward like this at the end of the day really very nice. Plus a non-windy and dry campsite and these beautiful lagoons and these coves. It's just a really gorgeous campsite here on Perry. We're on Perry Peninsula. We just got over here today, so it's a bonus day. It was a good day. It was productive. We left Pearce Harbor about 6:30 this morning. We got here about almost 4 o'clock, so it's kind of an early. Usually it's about 5. So we got the tent up, but there's no wind. God, wind is just the bane of our existence. So today with no wind is great. And Jeff's getting a fire going. I got the tent up. Help from Mark. We got this gorgeous campsite. Hopefully we'll have a calm morning and make good headway up north on the Perry Peninsula tomorrow. I'd love to get a 40-miler in, but I noticed we're slowing down as a team. Could be the tides. It could be just the fact that we're fatigued. I mean, we've been out here for a couple thousand miles almost, and all of us have lost weight. I know I've lost 30-some odd pounds. And, strength's just not what it used to be. But we've only got a handful of days left to finish this thing. So hopefully we'll have some good days.